Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows key not working in your Windows 11. So first of all, if you have been using external keyboard, go ahead, unplug it, and then plug it back again to your PC. Or the next step you could follow is if you are using an internal keyboard, restart your device. Now once you have restarted your device, see if this fixes your problem. If your Windows keys is still not working, come below at the search bar, type in Device Manager. Open your device manager, and in here you will see something related with keyboard. Double click onto it. You will see all the keyboards that you have connected to. Double click onto any one of them, select drivers, and select update driver. Search automatically for drivers and then close. Go ahead, do the same for your other keyboard as well. So double click onto it or simply right click onto it, update driver, search automatically, and then close. Now again, go ahead, restart your device, and this shall fix your problem.